This customer just traveled 4 hours to get to AutoMat to have us do a radical, high-end custom interior to complement the beautiful exterior of his street rod pickup.
Hi there, my name is Walter Hurtler, and I just drove my 48 Ford down from Hunter Mountain, New York. I'm here to get my interior done, and I just wanted to talk a little about what I've done here. My children and I found this truck in a field in upstate New York about 20 years ago. They were just little boys, and we built it as a family, and we got it this far, and AutoMat here is going to put a new interior, and I'm all psyched about it. Just tell you a little about the truck. We have a rear end that's 3 inches wider than the front wheels, and we had to make the fenders wider and the running boards wider, and we put a modern front end in it, a rack and pinion steering. We had somebody build a 383 stroker. It's got plenty of power, and we're having a lot of fun, and I can't wait until the interior is done.
King Bear Boogie, do me the King Bear Boogie. Lose your hips, roll them up around. King Bear Boogie, off you go, buzzing like a honeybee. King Bear Boogie, no, 110 degrees. Sugar drops, let me taste those honey lips. Joplin, Missouri, Oklahoma City looks so, so pretty. You see Amarillo, Gallup, New Mexico, Flagstaff, Arizona, don't forget Winona, Kingman, Barstow, San Bernardino. Won't you get hip to this time of tip and take that California trip? Get your kicks on Route 66. St. Louis, Joplin, Missouri, Oklahoma City looks so, so pretty.
You guys did a tremendous job. Let me shake your hand.
Thank
Did
you.
an awesome job.
All salad.
Sal,
Mostly salad.
come over here and
Actually-
shake my hand. Unbelievable. You guys nailed it, man. Or killed it, or whatever you want to say. It's just incredible. It's incredible. I love it. I don't know where to look first. It's just incredible. Tell Tim that I'm so excited that this thing is done, and it's just unbelievable. I can't wait to show my sons, and I can't wait to put it into the show circuit. I know it's going to do well, and thank all you guys that did such an awesome job. I just really appreciate it. It's just beyond belief. Thank you. It's spectacular. Thanks, Tim from AutoMat. Tim, thank you so much. You killed it, kid.